Okay, so I'm just gonna test out some of my stain here in an inconspicuous spot first. Just testing on the sides here. Okay, so that seems to be pretty good. Okay, so now I'm just gonna show you. Okay, on the top here, so you can probably see it quite well. Okay, so I'm just gonna get some color back into the wood there. Alright, so if there's any light area, I just hit that. Just bring in a touch of color, just like that. Okay, so you're going to see this quite a bit better. Now this doesn't have a concave, but what I want to do is get some color in the background, so when I put my wax on, you're not going to see anything white underneath it. Okay, so now keeping in mind, this is roughed up wood fibers, so it's going to take dark. So what I might do is actually just dip my brush of lacquer thinner, and I'm feathering out a little bit of my stain. So when I hit this, it's going to go a little bit lighter, which is right on what we want. We will work up to our color. Okay, kind of pat it. And again, I don't want too much on there because I'm just going to hit that just ever so slightly. Just where the light areas are. Okay. And again, it doesn't really need to be absolutely perfect just at this stage. So I'm going to be covering this up with wax. Get a little more color. Just using fine touch-up brushes that you buy at specialty wood finishing supplies stores. Industrial coating stores will have them. They are very expensive. For what I do, I use them all the time, so it's worth it getting the really expensive brushes. The reason why I do that is that none of the bristles get left behind into my work. Because what you don't want to do, you don't want to go too dark. So if you start going too dark, stop. Because like this spot right here, this looks a little bit dark. There are some black spots in here, so it's not going to look odd. I just don't want too much. Okay. Okay, so you make everything feather blend in. Okay, so now I'm just going to get more stain on here. Okay, so I'm just going to rub some more color into the thinners. Okay. Here, I'm going to make this nice and quick. Okay, I'm just going to get some black color, darker color in there. And take off the excess without taking away some of the work I just did. Just get some color back in there without going too dark. Okay, so we're just, again, just trying to get some background color in.
Okay, these are the brushes that we use and the different sizes for the different touch-ups.
Alright, you just go right to the edge without going over, kind of thing. And so what we're going to do after this, so once we get some basic color in there, then we'll start getting to redoing the shape again, and it will start looking like it should, nice and smooth. Okay. Okay. And yeah, I use my hand as a palette.
Do not recommend it.
And I've tried the palettes that painters use, and I find actually that because I'm concentrating on what I'm touching up and working on, that I lose track of my levelness, and it would actually, I have a higher probability of spillage. So I've been doing this for quite some time. As soon as I finish my job though, I wash it off with lacquer thinner, then I wash it off with soap and water, and we're all good to go after that. Right, so I'm just on the other side here, just getting some color, just like you saw me do on the front face there. This won't take too long. Okay, so this is almost done. That looks actually pretty good on this side. Okay, so again, we're just getting color before I do the wax sticks. Okay, like that. There. Okay, so we're just going to be left with little light areas to touch up after that. But again, I'm just going to do all the final touch-ups after I do my wax sticks repairs. Now, lacquer or any other finish doesn't stick very well to wax, so that's why I try to keep everything to a minimal. Okay, so for here, it's pretty smooth. It's a little bit bumpy, but no, when they see the reflection of light, no, we have to have this kind of smooth. So I'm actually going to stop there, wipe off the excess on my hand, right? Just dab off my brush. I'll set that over there.